Barakatha Yahweh, Barakatha Yahushai, Barakatha Yahweh, Barakatha Yahushai, Barakatha Yahweh, Barakatha Yahushai. All praise to Yahweh, Bahashem Yahushai, Bahashem Kakadash. The honors of the Apostle Great Millstone, and salutation to the elect that's pushing this truth. So today I want to talk about different signs and end time prophecy, okay? Because there's a lot of things, there's a lot of different signs, okay, that will tell us if we're in the last days, all right? To indicate that we're in the last days. So let's get some scriptures, all right? That'll be showing that we're in the last times, that we're in the last days, okay? Because we are in the last days, all right? That's a fact, all right? Okay, so this is Daniel chapter 12, verse 4. But thou, O Daniel, shut up the words and seal the book even to the time of the end. Many shall run to and fro, and knowledge shall be increased. Okay? So it says that knowledge shall be increased. So you can't argue that this is a time of pure knowledge and pure technological advancements. All right, that's going on in the world. Okay, you know, Esau, he's able to design the ICBM thermonuclear missile. Okay, so that's a high tech engineered machine. Okay, so he needed a lot of knowledge to be able to create that. All right, he also, 5G. Okay, he's trying to implement a completely cashless society. Okay, 5G that's a very high tech thing. Okay, so you can't argue that the world is just being filled with knowledge. Okay, there's different computers. Okay, that can calculate different algorithms. All right, to increase knowledge, to be able to multiply like different years of knowledge that we had, because they always say that like every single year, knowledge increase by 6 months, and then 3 months, and then 1 month. Well, now it's just being increased by the seconds now. Okay, we're able to learn so many different things. Okay, and there's so much things being discovered. So you can't lie that we're not in a time of pure knowledge and knowledge not being increased. Okay, so Daniel said that when knowledge is increased, then you're in the end times. Okay. All right, so let's get some more scriptures. More signs to know if we're in the end days, because the apostles, they asked Yahushua, they asked him like when's it gonna be when you gonna come back, when you return, and when is the end of these times. And then he was giving them certain specific times. So if you follow these signs, then you will know. He was giving specific signs. So if you follow these signs, then you will know when we're about to get out of here. Okay. So this is Luke 21 and 25. And there shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations, with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring. Okay, and isn't it a fact that we have been getting so many blood moons, or you could say, aka lunar eclipse? Is that a lie? There's been so much sightings of lunar eclipse. Okay, so much different signs in the heavens. Okay, there's been so many solar eclipse as well. So that's showing that we're in the end times. Okay, so you know that Yahushua is coming back soon. Okay. Okay. All right, so this is Matthew chapter 24, verse 6. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. Okay? So, if you see these signs, then someone should think that the end is here, the end is coming. All right? So, but isn't it true that there's many rumors of wars going on now? Isn't everybody keep talking about, oh, okay, is America gonna fight Russia right now? You know, is America gonna fight Iran? Is there a lot of rumors of war? Isn't people talk about World War III? You know, but lots of people don't believe it, but some do. You know, is there a lot of rumors and spread and talks of big battles? And I mean, straight up, the proof is in your face. Okay? There's many rumors of wars, talks of wars and fighting. So you know we're in end times. All right? Okay. So let's get some more scriptures. So this is Luke 21. And this is Luke 21:10. And said he unto them, nation shall rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom. Isn't nations rising against nations and kingdoms versus kingdoms? Isn't the United States, you know, the big kingdom, the greatest country in the world, people say, you know, and their ultimate rival is Russia, especially in the Cold War, because it was just basically them flexing, seeing who's better, who's the bigger kingdom, who's better. You know what I'm saying? So isn't it true that they're rising against each other right now? Big nations, United States, Iran, China, North Korea, Russia. I mean, this is elementary. Okay, this is verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sightings and great signs shall there be from heaven. All right. So fearful sightings. Yeah, that's just crazy things going on. You know, isn't people terrified of the world today? Isn't there fearful sightings of the IFOs? You know, the chariots of the Most High. What people would say UFOs. There's been so much UFO sightings that people just like that the government cannot even go against or lie anymore. Now they have to just come out and just say, yep, it's true. UFOs are true. UFOs are real. Fearful sightings and great signs from the heavens. Yeah, the UFOs are in, you know, the skies. I mean, isn't it true? Isn't there many earthquakes in diverse places you never heard of? Wasn't there just an earthquake that just happened in South Carolina? Okay, well, it was a very big earthquake on a metric scale of like 6 or something, 6 or 7. You know, and that's very big. And the last time they had that, you know, they said it was last like 20 years or past that. So, hey, it's just, you just gotta link up things from scriptures to today, okay? There's many great earthquakes. There's many earthquakes. There's just earthquake that just happened recently. So that's a fact that we're in the end times. All right, we're in the end times, you know, and and Yahushua is coming back to seal his elect. All right, to seal the 1/3 of Israel. All right. All right, so let's get one more scripture and then I'm gonna close out. All right, so this is Revelations 13 and 16. And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their forehead. 17. And that no man might buy or sell, save he that had the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name. All right. So this right here is a ultimate, one of the ultimate future prophecies that's gonna come to pass. All right. And this is the RFID chip. That's the mark of the beast. Okay. And it's a fact. Okay. That everyone, that all the nations, the whole world is moving to a cashless society. Okay. This is the trend. This is the new thing that's going on. Okay. So this is one of the ultimate prophecies, and we see that we're moving towards that. Okay. So the whole world's cash. Okay. Especially America. Okay. The actual physical cash is only like 15%. It's only 15%. Everything else is digital. Okay. So we're already moving towards that. All right. We're already moving towards a cashless society. And then when everyone is, when everybody mentally is in favor of that completely, then it won't be hard for you to accept the chip that they're trying to implement in your right hand or your forehead. Okay. Which is the mark of the beast. And if you get this chip, you'll be utterly destroyed. Yeah, straight up, you'll be utterly destroyed. All right. So these are signs showing that we're in the end times, and that the Yahushua is coming back. Okay, to seal his elect. All right. So with that, I hope that was edifying, and shalom.